If you are free, girl, show it off. Bring your body on me yard, let me put it on.
Hey, Swanny. You know so we are Jamaican, right? Bring your wire yard. Me want you what you say. Bring your what?
If you are free, girl, show it off.
Yeah.
Bring your body on me yard, let me put it on.
Bring your what? She fi bring her body. Bring her butt. I feel you make you put it on. Her body. Bang! Boom! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, straight out of Jamaica. Now, you guys have made it to the most lit reaction channel on YouTube and all, especially from a Jamaican. Right now, Trinidad, they say, what we do Trinidad? We Trinidad Bumbleclick bad. Here we are, man. We have Prince Swanny, expert. Thank you all for all the Trinidad supporters and my channel. Comment on this video. No chop already. If you comment on my video, you can see a comment on the next video I'm going to post. No? Big up on the Bumbleclick itself. Thank you all for telling me if you react to that video. The post last time I'm busy. You understand me, so I get out the phone today. You know what I mean? Guys, I said this before reaction starts. Some videos them start get black again. So you know, so they get black, only can get to see them. So the pause boss is in full effect. I'm finna be pausing a few. And you don't know it chop already. Run the reaction. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. The road to 10K is real. Like 10,000 subscribers, we have make it before someone even start. Run tune.
If you are free, girl, show it off. Bring your body on me yard, let me put it on.
Hey, Swanny. You know so we are Jamaican, right? Bring your wire yard. Me want you what you say. Bring your what?
If you are free, girl, show it off.
Yeah.
Bring your body on me yard, let me put it on.
Bring your what? She fi bring her body. Bring her butt. I feel you make you put it on. Her body. A body has to bring your body on me yard, let me put it on. And most of say, oh no. I wish Caribbean place them call them each other body. Like Super Caribbean. Where them come from? I Trinidad didn't come from. I wish I think of a guy that come from. I don't know where come from, but them call each other body. Anyway, I'm not talking about that. Run tune, it gone, run tune.
Do it for the Dan. Hey, this girl fi basta. From she get it in a back shot. You want post with the cocky pan Snapchat.
Somebody now say she get it in a back shot, she want post with the cocky pan Snapchat. I said I get a bad little girl. One time the man goes and go to pum pum and you want put it on Snapchat already, little girl. No. Well, I wish them girl I do. I wish them girl do expert. Them girl look nice. I wish hold on there. Wipe on the nice argument, but them girl are sexy. I shouldn't let them girl come from the cover work. Me want know. Make me know reaction boss soon. Run tune.
Crazy evil girl, you know me love that. Fuck up she pussy and she love how me tap that.
Oh my God, man say crazy evil girl, you know me love that. Fuck out the pussy and make she know me. Damn, you go on some. Yeah, them bad still. I'm not like Trinidad dancer artists them. Them a get Jamaican artists. I'm a run for them money. Run tune.
Yeah, she pussy and she love how me tap that. Beat it good, that's what me do.
Damn. Beat it good, that's what you mean. Trying to say a girl is in a Prince Swan. Them know that. Run tune.
I be the Jenna boo. Me na mix them up fi start call
boom.
She ring me Cardella. This girl say she want ride cocky, them want drive Benz.
No, wait, for your chest eye. She want ride Dicky, then she want drive Benz. Well, you can afford that, Mr. Expert Prince Swanny. But me is a Rico broke boy. You understand me? Out of Jamaica, we are trying to make it on YouTube. You understand me? So me not no Benz money. Chef go ride it and then she go take on bus go her yard. Chef go ride it and then she call one Uber or one Lyft with. Me know, them call one taxi service, on-time taxi. Run tune.
She no only want fuck on the weekend. From a bus in your belly, you forget a stipend. Yeah.
Wait. She don't only want on the weekend when the bus in your belly, you forget a size 10.
She no only want fuck on the weekend. From a bus in your belly, you forget a stipend.
Yeah, no. She don't want only do on the weekend, but Prince only want to do on the weekend. Cause he more have the week available for way more girl. You see me I say? I like to run tune here, I'm not even talk too much.
Just make it back then. My girl says she want ride, body then want drive in. She no only want fuck on the weekend.
Fair chest too high, but why me I sweat so much? Why place get so hot all of a sudden? Drink water, people, a good phone. You see me I say, don't want to get copyright as well, no chop. So first thing you go on with the beer things, man. I go on with beer things, man. Run tune now.
Your belly just like my Mac 10, girl. Just make it back bend. Says she want a man to fuck, she out regular. That's when.
See me a baby girl. If you want a man to not get done regular, You see me, I say? But man say I'm busting her like him back like a gun, right?
We decide fi link up. She forward on me yard and want fi drink up.
Yeah.
She grip on my skin, she love the ink up.
Well,
Girl, I just
well, my skin, she love the ink. Oh, she love the tattoo them with upon him skin. Yeah. I know why. I'm not a big fan of tattoo and piercing. As you can see, I'm not a tattoo and I'm not an earring and them something. I don't know why. I'm just that kind of guy. I don't really run them with. That would just text me a while ago. I want them on a Zoom today. What you talk about? Anyways, run through.
scrap on my cocky top. She hold it like a mic and start to sing song. And that's when me take off a pretty pink tongue. And tell her say it's going.
Wait. Take off your pretty pink tongue. Well, and she put it on a mic and start to sing song.
And tell her say it's going down. Hey,
Hold on, Prince Swanny. Hold on. More hear the lyrics say, nah, miss me. All my girl that text me to hold on there.
And that's when me take off a pretty pink tongue. And tell her say it's going down. Hey, watch her now. Hey, she no want no man. We cocky half fish.
Hold on there. Cause like him a describe the sex, you know. Him a describe the knockings what go on, you know. You know what I mean? I'm want get the knockings what go on, you know. You see me and say, now I could mess up Prince Swanny and say, everybody just text on my phone down. I don't know why I get so much text, but hold on. Run through now.
Thump up the pussy gal a ball all night. Mash gas, me the mash bricks. Coming like a V8. This type of fuck, thank God, yes it's too great.
Hold on there. Man say, thump out the pumps and she a ball all night. I torture that dog. You have to take your time and slow down and make love to them girl, dog. Me tell you for sure no. Like, uno artists, uno deal with the girls them too rough, dog. You know, hold on for them here and I pull out them wig and them. No, you have to massage a little ballad sometime if she don't have the hair on her head. Doesn't mean I say, I rub on her back. Not me a virgin, sorry.
Put the cocky punch it tongue like it was a 2 piece. She ex-man I try dog, but it too late. She wanted Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
No! She a try to head me out. She wanted too much. She better go link with her ex-man. According to expert right here, so Prince Swanny. Cause him say ex-man a try. And she wanted every single day of the week. No! You say if me go to boom and knock you every single day of the week, me go tired. Me will never know, say man tired. Look, you know, if me forget a 5 run last night, right? I'm to wake up and go work tomorrow. Me tired, you know? Me tired. Me run through.
And a shopping Friday. Oh, no. This guy says she want ride, cocky them want drive.
Benz.
She know only want fuck on the
Weekend.
From a bus in your belly, you forget a stipend, y'all. Just make it back.
This girl says she want ride cocky, then she want drive Benz. And then she don't want only. If you let me carry a problem, you know, woman. You try to enough for driving, you know? Oh, rascal. You nearly cuss out a woman a while ago, people. Do you know? Not even mess that, anyways. Man say, she don't want only do it on the weekend. She want it every day of the day and week. She too brawling with it. Anyways, run through.
My girl says she want ride, but
yeah,
and you ready for this. Send bombs in the pussy like me was a warship. Girl, warm up your pussy for the bar started. Come in.
Hold on there. Warm up the pum for the bar started. Hey, you know, I'm going to write a Saudi reaction now. If you want to see the full song, I'll link down below in the description. You can go check it out. You understand me? Link down below in the description for the full song. Thank you all for the love and support as usual. Man, my heart your fat, dog. Sorry, I'm doing a reaction that way. I try to build back the vibes, dog. You see me? I try to get back the vibes. So, subscribe to the channel if you're new for more lit reactions. And I want you guys to go and subscribe to my couples channel. You understand me? My girlfriend, she's American, I'm Jamaican. Link down below in the comment section. I'm going to pin it right there. Subscribe to me and my girlfriend couples channel. I'm going to be posting a lot over there. I'm out. But no one to miss the vlog, but right now I'm there at 5 and below. I look at case. For the phone, you don't know the chop already. John, no longer no vlog. So I'll put this at the last part of the video. Pick a case right now. So I go on. Never go white yet, you know. Might go white. When the work part them, I'm over this today. Don't know the chop, you know. Now, what kind of music? I hope you're not copyright. Don't know I forget that. Sis, I need a case. Yeah, another one. Martha, what are you doing? The other one break right here, and this one is broken right. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm vlogging. This one broken right here too.
Okay.
This broken.
Go get it.
I don't know which one to get. Come help me.
Come on, I gotta get Jody something.
Sorry, I'm looking at something.
Okay. You? Me? Yeah, I say you the case queen.
Tamika.
Yeah. Cut out my phone.
What kind of ringtone's that, man? God dang. This is all they got for also.
Yeah, Five Below. Some tape. They should, yeah.
Catch you on now vlog. That's a little piece. That's a little piece. Let me know if you guys want the vlogs back. Alright. I'm out.